morning, folks. We are out here on Brimstone Road, just to the northwest of Cedaredge, Colorado, at our new listing. This is a cute little country home on 15 acres. I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough and show you kind of what the details are. Walking in through the front door, you're gonna come right into the living room here. That's the master suite over there, and then upstairs we've got 3 bedrooms and a bathroom there. Back to the kitchen here, you've got propane stove. Over in here, washer and dryer with the propane boiler going to the hot water baseboard for the rest of the house. Got a door separating the master off of the living room here, coming in. Bathroom door to the left there. And then you've got the master bedroom here. And the last component to this is up the stairs into the guest bedrooms. Nicely situated for kids, whoever, other additional family. So if you're looking for a nice, cute little country home on 15 acres, located just to the northwest of Cedaredge at the base of the Grand Mesa, which you can see out here, I'd give us a call. This is a cute little place and it's gonna go quick.